Here I have Motorola Moto G9 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. So first method is you have to open your phone, and you have to open the keyboard and enter the secret code, which is *06#, and here you can see the information about IMEI 1, IMEI 2, serial number. And the second method is you have to open settings, then go to the about phone, and here you can see IMEI 1, IMEI 2, and in model and hardware, here you have serial number of this device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.